Welcome back to the channel. Scotty knows. I try to know. Anyways, welcome back. Today we're working on the motor here, the Honda D15B7 motor. I did get a part in. I got the camshaft key here to put the camshaft gear back on. Also want to get this timing belt put back on, as well as a couple of the plastic pieces that go on. So I want to take you guys with me on that journey. Hopefully you guys like that. If you have any suggestions on what I should do next, basically building this motor stock. Don't have a whole lot really to go into it. Everything's pretty much stock, OEM style parts. First time building the motor. I got my book. I got the online community. Everybody's been great in helping me put this motor back together, back to spec. So follow me along. Let's get this thing going.